poems come to me in epiphany. The fundamental component of what we all call poetry. A picture that we break with our mind with the image to blow you off your feet like boom. Now can I have enough to please? I'm tired of trying to be the best, and now it's my time to shine and get some things off my chest, they say. Black on black violence is whack, but that ain't gonna stop us the black stop listening to some Puerto Rican nigga, I mean, ain't good person that say crack is back for my black people lean back and he even black is. No, I'm not being racist, I'm just talking with the basics. Now he sit back and it's another fact. Black is beautiful, black tracing the path our ancestors led. Striving to be the best is just a little their blood, but they shed, so stop and gain your composure, cause criticism still takes place for the time and decade. No, it's not fake for the black race to fail. Tired of seeing my black brothers trail the sideline of success and pass by the feeling that keeps, so stop and gain your composure. This poem is not over. The black society is slipping between unprotected sex and drug dealing. We live in a dream that no longer exists. I don't know what you know, but Martin Luther King dream no longer exists. Gone, torn and pissed on, born to be spit on. Our black queens being hit on, and dreams no longer live on. In the hearts of those who used to care. You see, we all live in this vexing section. We complain about the president and half our people can't even vote in election half. Spell election, people open your eyes elections of this question. Do you even care? Care about your lives? Do you even care? Care about the tears your